Hello everyone, welcome to NRtistStudio. My name is Nishat Rahman and in this video I'm going to do a plastic chair makeover in a cost-effective manner. I'm going to show you the whole process step by step, and I will also give you the relevant information about the products that I'm going to use here. So stay tuned for the full video and let's get started. To begin with, wear some old clothes and an apron. Then wipe off the chair of any dust using a cloth or a rag. You can also use light ragmal if the plastic surface is very smooth. So now I am going to paint it with a bright yellow enamel paint. I am using Apcolite from Asian Paints and mix the paint with little turpentine oil. Don't worry, it's an old pan. Please do not add excessive oil to maintain a good consistency of paint and to ensure that your paint doesn't drip. Now let's cover the chair with the paint. I'm starting with one side and will keep covering the entire chair. Once it is done, we'll let it dry for a few hours. After it's dried properly, apply another coat of paint and let it dry for a day. Hi again. So here is our chair and I'm done painting 2 coats over it and it's properly dried now, but our work is not done yet. Since we have painted oil paint on a plastic surface, it's looking too bright and in your face. So to tone it down, I'm going to use something else. So you gotta keep watching this video so that you know what is it that I'm doing next. Yeah, so next I'm going to use this jute. I'm going to add this jute twine to it. Not fully, I'm not gonna cover the whole chair, but I'm going to use it on some parts to add some subtlety to its brightness, and it will add that bohemian vibe to it. So we can use this glue gun to add the jute twine. Or if you don't have the glue gun, you can use Fevicol also, or you can use the fabric glue here. So anything which is available you can use. So let's get started with the next step. First of all, I'm going to start with the legs of the chair. I also would like to tell you that I have only painted 1 coat over the legs of the chair because I'm going to wrap the jute twine over the legs. So 2 coats were not necessary. Only this and this part I have painted twice and legs I have only painted once. Now let's start with the jute twine. First we'll tie a knot around it like this. Make sure that this knot is very tight. Now we just start wrapping it around the leg using the glue and keep going. I have also done a makeover for an old plastic stool using jute twine. I will share the link of the video in the description box so you can check that out. So this is about half kg. Let's see how much I'm gonna use. I will tell you at the end how much actually I use this up. I got this half kg of twine for about 150 rupees. This is about 10-15 rupees. And I used about half liter of paint for 2 chairs. I'm making 2 chairs. So this whole thing is going to cost me about 200 rupees per chair, I guess. I don't think it's a bad deal. As you see, I'm not using the glue onto the plastic. You can use it, but I'm making sure that I use the glue onto the twine so that it sticks together, and that will also make it stronger. As I see, at the end of one chair, half of jute twine is still left, which I can use for another chair. Which means you need half kg of jute twine for 2 chairs, plus the glue and half liter of paint. So the per chair cost is 150 rupees. Let me know if you think it's worth it. So people, our DIY chair makeover is done. If you like the idea, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more of such videos. Goodbye for now, and you all have a creative time ahead.